How to create an account on OKX Wallet on PC. So type OKX Wallet on the search bar. As you can see, now you will find the Chrome Web Store. Now click on this search results. So after that, what you need to do, click on Add to Chrome. Now click on Add Extension. Now wait a few seconds to download the extension to your browser. So after that, what you need to do, as you can see here, it's keep loading. So the extension it's downloaded. So wait a few seconds. Now the download is complete. As you can see, now our extension is ready to use. So I will just close it and open it again. So what you need to do, click on this extension management, and now what you need to do, click on pin here to be able to find your extension here. Now click on it, and as you can see, now click on create wallet. And now as you can see, if you want to select the seed phrase, or you want to select the hardware wallet. Now click on seed phrase. As you can see, now you set the password, click on the password, as you can see, or if you want to select the biometric authentication. So if you select the password, you can click on next. Now I will set the password and get back to you guys. Now after you set the password, click on confirm. Now click on maybe later if you want to note down the seed phrase to secure your wallet. So if you click on it, what you need to do, as you can see, now click here to be able to see this phrase. So I will just take a screenshot of it to be able to fill it in the next step, because it's most important to secure your wallet. Now click on I've noted it down, and they will ask you for this to fill it. Now as you can see, the seed phrase number 3, it's called Sharn or Karn, as you can see. Now the seed number 4, it's called industry, and now the seed number phrase number 9, it's called a aspect, as you can see. So it will go like this. So turn industry aspect. Now as you can see, welcome to OKX. Let's explore Web3. Now click on start your Web3 journey. As you can see, now it's your wallet is set up and it's ready for you. So this is how to create an account on the OKX wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.